we have already studied how to find volume of cylinder, and volume of cylinder is given by the formula base area into height. Base area of the cylinder is circular, so it is pi r square into h. Now in today's video, let's see how to find out volume of cone. So you can see here there is a cylinder, right circular cylinder, as well as a right circular cone of same base radius r and same height of the cylinder as well as height of this cone, both are same, say h. So there is a right circular cylinder and right circular cone of same base radius r and height h. Now let's do an activity. Try to make a hollow cylinder and a hollow cone like this. But you should be careful with the same base radius and same height. The radius of the cylinder and the radius of the cone should be same, and height of the cylinder and height of the cone should be same. So you have to make first you have to make a hollow cylinder and hollow cone. Now we'll start our activity. First you fill this cone up to the brim with sand once, and then you empty it into the cylinder. So we find that it fills only a part of the cylinder. It has filled only till here, it has filled. Again you fill up the cone again to the brim and empty it into the cylinder. So now also we can see that the cylinder is not full, only again a part of it has been filled. Now the third time, when the cone is filled up for the third time and it is emptied into the cylinder, you can see that the cylinder is also full up to the brim. The cylinder is also full up to the brim. So from this we can come to the conclusion that 3 times volume of cone makes up volume of cylinder. 3 times volume of cone makes volume of cylinder, because it has taken 3 times to fill the cylinder. And one condition is also there. So 3 times volume of cone makes up volume of cylinder which has same base radius and same height. Base radius should be same for the cylinder as well as the cone. The radius should be same. If the cylinder is of 2 cm, this cone also should be of 2 cm. Again the height should be same. So only if the same base radius and same height is there, then we can say that 3 times volume of cone will be equal to volume of cylinder. That means we can say volume of cone, we need to find the formula for volume of cone, is nothing but 1/3 volume of cylinder. And in the last video we have seen volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So volume of cone, the formula for volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cone and h is the height of the cone. Let's do some of the examples. The height of the cone is 15 centimeter. So height is 15 centimeter and volume of the cone is 1570 centimeter cube. We need to find radius of the base. So we know the formula to find out volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Here already they have given the volume, so we can substitute there 1570 equal to 1/3 into 22/7, or we can substitute 3.14 also. R square, I don't know the value of r, h is 15. So when you cancel this, you have 5. Now r square we need to find out 1570 divided by 3.14 into 5. So when you simplify this, you have r square as 100 and r will be square root of 100, which is equal to 10 centimeter. So the radius of the cone, which is having the volume 1570, is 10 centimeter. Now the next question is, a conical pit of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in kiloliters? So the diameter of this conical pit is 3.5 meter. So the radius will be, diameter is 3.5 meter. So radius will be 3.5 divided by 2 meter, and we need to find the capacity in kiloliters. Height, the deep they have given, that means it is 12 meter, height is 12 meter, and we know that volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now we substitute the values. 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 divided by 2 into 3.5 divided by 2 into 12. We can cancel this. 4 3s are 12. Again 22 and 2 you can cancel 11, and 7 and 3.5 you cancel, you have 0.5. So 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 is 38.5 meter cube. That means in kiloliters we need to find, which is equal to 38.5 kiloliters, because 1 meter cube is 1 kiloliter. Now next question, volume of right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, radius will be 28 divided by 2, 14 centimeter. We need to find three things. First is height, second is slant height, third is curved surface area of the cone. So they have given here volume of cone. Volume of cone is pi r square h, and volume they have given as 9856 centimeter cube. Pi we can write as 22 by 7. R square is 14 square. H we need to find out. This you can cancel. 114 will go. So it is 2. Now we will find out H. 22 into 2 is 44. So 9856 divided by 44 into 14, which is equal to 48 centimeter. Height of the cone is 48 centimeter. Next we need to find slant height. We know slant height is equal to square root of h square plus r square. So we can see here this is the slant height, h is the height, and r is the radius. Now we can substitute the values. H square is 48 square and r square is 14 square. That will give you slant height, which is equal to 196 plus 2304, which is equal to 2500, and that is equal to 50 centimeter. Now we need to find curved surface area of the cylinder, that is equal to pi r l. 22 by 7, r is 14, and slant height just now we got as 50. So when you simplify this, we have 2200 centimeter square. The next question, right triangle ABC with sides A, B, C with side 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. So when you revolve a right angle triangle about one of its sides, we get the solid shape named cone. And so now we need to find out volume of the cone. So here height is 5, radius is 12 and slant height is 13. So volume of the solid, volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7. Here we have radius as 12 and height as 5. So 12 square into 5. When you simplify this, you will be getting 314 centimeter cube. Next question. The heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the areas of the canvas required. So here the shape is cone. We need to find two things. First is volume of the cone. Second thing, the heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. So what is the area of the canvas required? So we need to find curved surface area of cone also. So first we will find volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here diameter is 10.5 centimeter. So radius will be 10.5 divided by 2. Then height is 3 meters. Both are in meters only. Now we need to substitute 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2. The whole square into 3. When you simplify this, we'll have the value 86.625 meter cube. Since it is volume, we have to write meter cube. Now curved surface area, area of canvas required to cover this heap of wheat. So area of canvas required is equal to, we need to find out CSA of cone, that is curved surface area of the cone, and curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. We don't know the value of L, so we'll find out L. L is nothing but slant height, and we know slant height formula is r square plus h square. R square is 10.5 by 2 plus h square, height is given as 3. So 3 square, so we need to square it. When you simplify this, you will be getting 36.5625. Approximately this is equal to 6.05 meters. Slant height is in meter. So area of canvas is CSA of cone. CSA of cone is pi RL. Now we'll substitute the value 22 by 7 into 10.5 divided by 2 into 6.05, which is equal to 99.825 meters square. Thank you for watching my video.